Do not wait. It's giving synthetic. Look at these. Y'all see all of this? I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm looking like a werewolf. I'm freaking trying. I hate this. Good morning, pineapple. We installed a $24. It's literally $24.71 a wig from Shein. It said do not wait. Do not use a comb to comb. Use your hands to manage. It's gonna be synthetic, y'all. It's gonna be synthetic. Looks cute on the model. I ain't gonna hold you. So this is how it came packaged. Didn't get no goodies, no edge brush, none of it. So it does have a hairnet on it. All right, so this is what it looks like straight out the pack. It's giving synthetic. It already looks freaking thick. As you guys can see, it ain't no full lace. Okay, it's a middle part with edges. So it got a little part right there. It looks like it's constructed pretty well. I'm not gonna care for the most part, as I can see. All right, y'all. The moment of truth. Oh my gosh, y'all. What is y'all look at these. Ain't no way y'all supposed to be saying my head do this. All right, I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. So we gonna pull this down. Okay. Are we gonna make this work? Can we make this work? It's a lot of hair. Y'all see all of this? You're killing me. You're really killing me. They don't look too bad. Can I pluck in there? Probably not.
Tay is tinting the lace using kiss tintation in the shade medium brown. Meanwhile, she's wondering if this video is finna be a flop.
So y'all see that line? That is where you're supposed to cut the wig at. That's cool. I really like that feature. Man, I got some of that tinting spray on the hair strand, so we just gonna wipe that off. You try to make your wig not look like a wig, where everybody knows it's a wig because you do certain things that only you would do on a wig. That's the vibe of the wig community. Hot comb is on 10. Hopefully it doesn't melt. Y'all should literally see how far back my mirror is. Y'all think we finna finesse this? So this is what it looks like so far with the lace cut off. There are no ear tabs on this.
T had to make her own ear tabs by cutting into the tracks.
I'm not doing the tweezing part. We're gonna try something else. And the part don't even go all the way back. I'm just gonna secure the center down so I can have something to work with, but I'm not securing this whole thing down. Do y'all have hope for this wig? I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm looking like a werewolf right now.
T decides to continue filming the video as she should. She is using Kiss Lace spray to secure the center of the lace. She uses her blow dryer on a cool heating setting to dry down the lace spray to a tacky consistency. Once it is tacky, she lays it down. She then places her melting band on for 10 minutes.
Y'all, I just want to stop. I don't even want to. What? I don't need to be struggling like this. And then everywhere I turn it, it's freaking tracks. I am freaking trying. The baby hairs is thick. Let's try to define the part and see if that will.
Nope.
I tried to do a middle part, but I just don't like how flat it keeps laying. Like, I want it to be at least like right here. Maybe if I put some hairspray on it. Don't know if this is gonna work because this is just ORS spray. We gotta try something. Dang, this is turning white, ain't it? I hate this. I don't like this for me. I mean, it's not bad. Like, maybe I'm over exaggerating. I don't know.
I like bags. I like stacks. I like money on time. I like bags. I like stacks. I like money on time.
I like bags. I like stacks. I like money on time. I like bags. I like stacks. I like money on time.
I like bags. I like stacks. I like money
No, I cannot do that middle part. So I just took that little piece and swooped it. Now I ain't seeing no tracks. Y'all seeing some tracks? It don't look too shabby, but I think I could get away with it being up like this. But that middle part, somebody's gonna clock me and say who, what, and why. Now, I honestly can say this wig is constructed how the wigs were constructed back in the day. If I base the wig off of back in the day, I would give it a 10 out of 10. If I compare it to this day and time, I'm gonna get a wig a 1.5 out of 10 because no man. Like I said, this ain't too bad. It ain't too bad, but it's not what I'm used to either. Now the curls, I love the curls. The curls eat down. What else I was about to say? The tangling is gonna tangle because I was getting tangles just from flipping it, trying to do the baby hairs. It was getting tangly. Now I could trim up this down here. Y'all, this is what it look like up close. Ooh. And this is the middle part up close. This is the middle part up close. Would you guys buy this wig? And what would you rate this wig? Based on how it's constructed, like y'all seeing it, what would you guys rate the wig? Like, give me your honest opinion. If you didn't have no other wig either, would you put this on and make it work? But yeah, if I had to go out the house like this right now, I wouldn't even care. Mind your business. This is going to be a series, so if you guys want to hop over to Shein, y'all go pick some wigs for me to review. So yeah, until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.
𝐼𝐡𝐢𝐳𝐤𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬